Hi guys, welcome to Grooties. Saturday night. Show you a little bit of the shit that I'm doing. Trying to keep my head in it. It's a little bit hard, especially when there's just shit everywhere. So we have to get the green car finished. So many people have come in, stopped to say hello, hung out, yada yada yada. So yeah, hold on. Shelf pulled down. Found some shit to put in the way. Trike's all done. That's going home. We have shit everywhere. So yeah, I've been taking stuff out of shelves to clean. The shelf is starting to get there. Hold on, I will just put this beam up so you can see. Rightio, that's what we're doing. They just hook over on the side there. Just in here, I've got it so it hooks up in there nice. Alright. And kind of flat. I'll do one more up here and then I'll have a full corner unit. And for once, I've decided, instead of having everything stacked up against that wall where all the steel and shit sits, I'm going to, at the end here, I'm going to put in a couple of dividers and I'll have wood, steel, aluminium here. And then workbench across here, which is my toolbox. So next to the front door, the toolbox will be there. So then, the toolbox is right next to the job. I have reorganised this shop. I've been here 10 years. I've reorganised this shop so many times. It's ridiculous. But this time I need to get rid of a lot of shit and reorganise it so I've got metalwork in this back corner. And then, yeah. It's just a mess. I've still been getting a little bit of shit done, so it's just shit everywhere. And down here, these shelves here that used to be on this side here, they'd been here. So this one here and this, there was stuff jammed down the back there in this back corner that I hadn't seen in years. I think 7 years these shelves have been in here. So now I have to work out what to do. And you kind of stand here and go, okay, I'm going to have the porting bench across the back here. There'll be the steel bench will come up here with a gap there. That, I don't know where that's going. That's going to go somewhere. This, that's going to go somewhere. This, that's going to move over there somewhere. I couldn't keep working in the shed the way it was, but I have to move some stuff around. So yeah, on the Morris note, I'll give you some good news. Rightio, we have 1098cc, which is the big crank block. New cam bearings, ready for Monday. My legendary machinist, Johnny, has said he will machine this week. So I get in Monday sometime. And we also take a BMW cylinder head. Now what we do have, so I went for a drive the other day and I met a gentleman named Jason that works on Minis. We have camshaft for the 1098 is a Wade grind. That's what it is. I like to share a bit of this stuff. It's 109. I'd like a little bit tighter, but that'll do. Yeah. Should actually be alright. Should be quite a sizable cam. So valve lift is 271. Hold on a sec. So being 271 with 1.3, I think this is the head we're going to use. I think we're going to use the 295. Looks to be in good condition. Has dual springs so we can rev it a little bit. We have these, which are 1100 plus 100 thou. So there's 2.5 mil over bore. So this puts it at They're a flat top. So with that, anyone that was watching that doesn't know much about A-Series, I'm still learning as much as I can. So they're Russell Engineering. So we have brand new pistons, rings, have cam bearings, we have a camshaft. Valve was a little low. I would have liked more like 320, but that's right. And this is kind of the holy grail small bore head. So this is the 295. It's a big port. So yeah, we have other news on the Morris stuff. We have the Weber and extractors on their way back, and we're getting refunds at the moment. So it'll take a little bit of time to get the refund in, but it looks like the shop that did the engine has admitted fault. Not happy about it, but they've admitted fault. The fault is that they built an engine, but they didn't really build an engine at all. Yeah. So he's asked for a few parts back if he pays a full refund, so I'll send him whatever he wants back. Full refund in the bank, done. That means we can do a bunch of work on it and we can finish it properly. So fingers crossed it all goes through and keeps going. Happy. Hope you guys have a great day. And yeah. Early in the week, I'll get this all down. It all looks all factory now. Looks so good. But yeah. And finally get it all back together. So tomorrow is goodbye to the Austrike. You have a lovely night.